Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an excellent choice for first-time drone pilots, hobbyists, and aerial imaging enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 grams, this compact drone avoids the need for FAA registration, making it convenient for casual flyers. Safety is a priority with built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors, helping prevent collisions and allowing pilots to focus on capturing smooth, cinematic footage. Pilots can operate the Flip using the included remote control, a smartphone app, or direct-on aircraft controls, providing flexibility for different flying styles. The drone's camera delivers impressive results, matching the performance of flagship smartphones. It can capture stabilized 4K video at 60 frames per second and offers still photography in 12MP or 48MP resolutions. For advanced users, the Flip supports DNG RAW images, allowing for precise post-processing, and features a flat D-Log-M video profile, perfect for color grading and exposure adjustments in video editing software. The DJI Flip is suitable for a wide range of users. Beginners benefit from its lightweight design, intuitive controls, and obstacle avoidance technology. Photo and video enthusiasts can explore creative possibilities with raw photos and professional video profiles. Recreational flyers enjoy the simplicity of a drone that doesn't require FAA registration, though it lacks remote ID broadcasting, so it's not recommended for commercial use. Specifications and configurations. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: integrated. Camera: integrated with gimbal, 48MP. Video: 4K 60, D-Log-M. Media: internal plus microSD-XC. Remote options: smartphone/tablet app or dedicated controller with LCD. Live video feed, 1080p. The DJI Flip combines portability, safety, and professional-grade imaging in a beginner-friendly package. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the most impressive entry-level drones currently available, offering an excellent combination of portability, performance, and camera capabilities. Weighing only 249 grams, it does not require FAA registration, though pilots must complete an online knowledge test before flying. The drone features a 12MP camera capable of capturing sharp JPG or DNG RAW photos, and its f1.7 lens performs well in low-light conditions, such as dawn and dusk. Video recording supports 4K at 30 frames per second, with HDR-style imagery and a 60-degree upward tilt for dynamic shots in both landscape and vertical orientations. Safety and ease of use are also key strengths. Integrated GPS stabilizes the drone in flight and supports the return-to-home function, while the Find My Drone feature helps recover the aircraft if lost. Though obstacle detection is absent, the Mini 3's lightweight design and intuitive controls make it ideal for casual flyers. Flight times reach up to 38 minutes, and an optional extended battery increases this to 51 minutes for pilots needing longer sessions or remote ID functionality. Who it's for? Recreational flyers, perfect for casual drone pilots seeking lightweight, hassle-free flying with basic safety features. Content creators, the Mini 3's vertical and landscape video options allow creators to capture versatile footage for YouTube, TikTok, and social media. Licensed pilots, remote ID support makes it suitable for professionals who earn revenue with drone work, from real estate photography to wedding videography. Specifications and configurations. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: integrated with gimbal, 12MP. Video: 4K 30. Media: microSD-XC. Remote options: dedicated controller with app or LCD. Live video feed, 1080p. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight, versatile drone that blends convenience, safety, and creative potential into a single compact package. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 demonstrates that quality drones are no longer exclusive to big brands. This lightweight 249-gram quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements for casual flyers while delivering high-quality photography and video. Equipped with a 4K 30 camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, it produces smooth, stabilized footage and captures still images at 12MP or 48MP, with the option to shoot raw DNG files for advanced editing. A dedicated remote control ensures precise flight, and the 32-minute battery life allows for extended sessions without interruption. Additionally, the built-in remote ID module makes the Atom 2 suitable for professional use, including monetized video work and commercial photography. Who it's for? Beginners. The Atom 2 is an excellent first drone. Its stabilized 4K 30 video and sharp photos make learning fun, while the included remote control provides easy handling. Although it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. Recreational flyers, hobbyists benefit from the Atom 2's lightweight, avoiding FAA registration while enjoying a responsive and capable drone. Licensed pilots, with built-in remote ID, the Atom 2 supports FAA licensed pilots who need a lightweight option for real estate photography, stock footage, YouTube content, or other paid aerial work. Specifications and configurations. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera, integrated with gimbal, 48MP. Video, 4K 30. Media, microSD. Remote options: dedicated controller with app. Live video feed, 1080p. The Potensic Atom 2 combines portability, professional features, and affordability, making it a strong choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ideal choice for casual drone pilots who want a lightweight, easy-to-use drone for selfies and short landscape videos. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, it's compact enough to fly without FAA registration in the US, and its built-in propeller guards make takeoffs and landings from the palm of your hand safe and worry-free. The Neo shoots smooth 4K video and captures 12MP stills, offering enough quality for social media and personal projects. While its video profile is not as advanced as higher-end DJI drones, it remains impressive given the $199 starting price. Pilots can operate the Neo using a smartphone app or, optionally, a dedicated remote control for more tactile flight control and extended range. Who it's for? Beginners. The DJI Neo is beginner-friendly, featuring automated flight modes that allow the drone to fly itself. With palm launches and automated landing, new pilots can gain confidence without the stress of manual control. Selfie enthusiasts, on-drone controls let you quickly capture selfie videos without opening an app or connecting a controller. It's perfect for spicing up social media content with minimal effort. Recreational flyers, weighing under 249 grams, the Neo is an excellent choice for hobbyists. While it lacks remote ID, it's great for casual flying and experimenting with drone photography. Specifications and configurations. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera, integrated with gimbal, 12MP. Video, 4K. Media, internal. Remote options: smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed, 1080p. The DJI Neo combines portability, ease of use, and affordability, making it a fun and accessible drone for beginners and selfie lovers. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones offer a uniquely immersive flying experience by transmitting an ultra-low latency live feed from the drone's camera directly into a pair of goggles. This setup puts you virtually in the cockpit of a small, agile aircraft capable of threading through tight gaps and performing daring maneuvers such as flips, loops, barrel rolls, and vertical plunges. Unlike traditional camera drones designed for wide, scenic shots, FPV drones focus on adrenaline-inducing, close-quarters flights, making them perfect for thrill-seekers and dynamic content creators. Flying an FPV drone is much more challenging than piloting standard drones. Without the safety net of obstacle avoidance sensors, pilots must react quickly at higher speeds, which can be intimidating for beginners. The DJI Avata 2 addresses this with a more accessible, beginner-friendly experience. Its motion-sensitive controller allows smooth hovering, quick braking, and forgiving maneuvers, while the drone records high-quality video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second. Though it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, these features make the Avata 2 far easier to fly than traditional twin-stick FPV drones. The included goggles are impressive, delivering a crisp, immersive image through micro OLED displays. They are adjustable for interpupillary distance and include a diopter correction, making them comfortable for pilots with poor eyesight. While some advanced maneuvers, like steep dives, require the optional DJI Remote Controller 3, the Avata 2 offers a safer, more approachable FPV experience. Flying it feels like using training wheels, exciting, immersive, and surprisingly forgiving.